Bitcoin just dumped $268 million from ETF outflows, and everyone's calling Kevin Warsh the savior. They're wrong. Here's what they're missing. Bitcoin stalled at 80,000. ETFs lost 268 million in one day. 270 million in longs liquidated. Top traders on Binance cut exposure to 4-week lows. The bulls are quietly leaving. Mainstream says don't worry. Warsh takes over from Powell on May 15th, and he's pro-crypto. But when Trump announced him on January 30th, Bitcoin didn't pump. It dropped 14% over 10 days. Gold crashed 9. Silver fell 30. The market saw Warsh as the most hawkish Fed chair since Volcker. Why? He wants a smaller Fed balance sheet, higher real rates, tighter conditions than Powell. That's textbook bad for risk assets. Now the wild part. Warsh's April disclosure revealed over $100 million in crypto. Bitwise, DYDX, Compound, Solana, Polymarket. He's the wealthiest crypto whale to ever sit at the Fed, but he must sell everything before May 15th. His hands will be legally tied for the first year by recusal rules. Here's my read. The bullish worst case is a narrative trade, not a real one. ETF outflows, Coinbase revenue down 31%, Robinhood crypto down 47%. These aren't noise. They're the market sniffing out what's coming. Watch 76,000 support. Break it, and 70 is next. Pro-crypto Fed chair or hawkish trap. Drop your call. Subscribe for daily macro.